guys, so we're outside right now, and this is like the hen place. I'm gonna go inside. We're supposed to be looking at the chicks right now, just in case they get out of the cage, because they're still little. And I don't think this chicken really likes them, so we have to keep them inside the cage.
It's a hen.
Yeah. And then this is their house. This is like steps to go inside.
We don't live there.
Ew. It's disgusting. I hit my head.
I'm scared of him. His eyebrows are kind of judgy, even though it's a girl. It looks like a boy.
Here, I can touch it. But it's not like you touching it though. No, I'm not gonna touch it. Ugh, there's so much. Here are the chicks. That one's mine, the black one.
Get away.
So yeah, this is the farm. I guess like the little farm that we have back here. There's the cage over there. If they want to go out again. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later. Yeah, later. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Please like, subscribe, and comment if it works. Goodbye.